everyone, and welcome to the strategic conference for the following three projects of the DPWH Batanes District Engineering Office. For Project 1, 26B8037, construction of multi-purpose building covered court, Barangay Malakdang, SABTANG Batanes, with an ABC of 11,880,000. Project 2 is contract ID 36BA0038. Construction of multi-purpose building, covered court, phase 2, IVANA Elementary School, Barangay RADIWAN, IVANA Batanes, with an ABC of 5,914,000. And the project is 26BA0040, construction of multi-purpose building, Radio Pilipinas Building, phase 2, Barangay San Antonio, BASCO, Batanes, with an ABC of 2,950,000. We proceed with the request number. Almighty God, Father, we praise and thank you for this day and opportunity to fulfill our mission and its purpose. Bless our little voice, especially to the gift of the day. Guide us in our discussions and in life, and our minds in every decisions that we make. May we get the most advantageous and fair outcome for all parties involved and for the government. We trust in your perfect wisdom and ask that you will direct our thinking according to your will. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Thank you. Yes, Secretary Head, Secretary, give the vote and confirm the presence of quorum.
Page 2025, time check 10:12 a.m. Present here is our back chairperson, back vice chairperson, back members, we have the graduate and the east, other back member, some back secretary. Perfect attendance from the back. And with that also is I are the representatives of prospective leader from MCDC, John Vincent Estorel, and Juan Christine Bisora, both engineers. And our support staff, we have Rosel Gonzalez, Rosan Gordo, and Juan Patrick. Yours truly, Prudential Valiente.
Sir, the quorum duly confirmed, sir, proceed the
For the first project, 26BA0037, BIP, construction of multi-purpose building covered court, Barangay Malakdang, SABTANG Batanes, with a coordinate of 20.335943 degrees and 121.871824 degrees. The project is located at Barangay Malakdang, SABTANG Batanes. The scope of work for the other general requirements, we have permits and clearances, project billboard or signboard, occupational safety and health, mobilization, demobilization. Part C, first word, structural excavation, common soil, embankment from roadway or structure excavation, common soil, gravel field. For part B, reinforced concrete or structural concrete, 3000 PSI, plus A, plus 8 days. Structural concrete, plus A, plus 8 days. Reinforcing steel bar, the form, 340, formworks and false works. For part B, finishing and other civil works, steel doors and frames, doors with panel, tempered glass, 6 mm, fabricated metal roofing accessory, gauge 26, ridge or hip rolls, fabricated metal roofing accessories, gauge 26, flashing, repainted metal sheets above 0.427 mm with 5 span, reflective insulation, HB non-load bearing, including reinforcing steel, 150 mm thick, structural steel, with part F, elec- electrical work, conduits, boxes and fittings for racking in, wires and wiring devices, panel board with main and branch breakers. For the permits and clearances, we have BD permit, BFC permit, zoning permit, conduct of FP, and occupancy permit. For the project billboard, we have two, using Coco number as the support for occupational safety and health. We have safety practitioner full-time and health personnel full-time. Structure excavation, we have gravel fill. The material used is 3/4 gravel. Steel doors and frames. Material used is steel door made from GI pipe and GI sheet. Materials to be used for fabrication of the 13.34 square meter steel door include GI sheet frame gauge 16, GI pipe scheduled 40. For tempered glass, we have 6 mm tempered glass windows with UPVC casement, fabricated metal roofing accessory, reach wall 0.6 mm thick. For fabricated metal roofing accessory, flashing 0.6 mm thickness, repainted metal sheet, rib type roofing sheet, gauge 26, reflective insulation, double 10 mm for the stage B, non-load bearing, 150 mm thick, structural steel. The CMPD used is the special issuances and second quarter, reducing the VAT, the entry point or the approved quality site is the BASCO port. So we also include the hauling from BASCO port to IVANA port, then IVANA port to the SABTANG port, and SABTANG port to project site. So it's from here.
Project.
For the second project, construction of multi-purpose building, covered court, phase 2, Ivan Elementary School with school ID 103322, Barangay RADIWAN, IVANA Batanes. For the first part, other general requirements, we have permits and clearances, building permit, BFP, BFP permit, zoning permit, and occupancy permit. For the project field board, we have three: occupational safety and health, safety practitioner full-time, and health personnel full-time. Mobilization, this mobilization, demobilization, structural excavation, common soil, embankment from roadway or structural excavation, common soil, gravel field using 3/4, structural concrete, 3000 PSI, class A, 28 days, structural concrete, class A, 28 days, reinforcing steel bar, grade 40, formworks and works, that's basing, concrete, front drainage and downspout, steel doors and frames, steel door made from GI pipe and GI sheet, materials to be used for the fabrication, steel door include GI sheet plane, grade 16, GI pipe, schedule 40, doors and wood panel, doors, glass panel, prefabricated 12 mm tempered glass with white PVC profile, two panels window, tempered glass 6 mm, prefabricated 6 mm tempered glass windows with UPVC casement, wood tile flooring, modern bamboo floor tiles, 1850 by 135 by 14 mm, tea brown 100% bamboo, floor finishes, interlocking port flooring, modular polypropylene, 30.48 cm by 30.48 cm by 12.7 mm, six single buttons in each side. Cement cluster finish, painting works, masonry for concrete, painting works, steel, steel and load bearing, 150 mm thick, with, including reinforcing steel bar, metal structures, where here the basketball hoop, box size 2000 by 100 mm, iron plate thickness 2.0 column, basketball height adjustable 2350 mm to 3050 mm, lifting method, hand trunk lifting specification 32 mm garden tube, buckboard specification 1800 by 1050 mm with 10 mm thick polyester made of tempered glass buckboard. Basketball ring specification 18 mm round steel elastic basketball ring. Then we have considered the hauling from the identified quarry site, which is first report to the project site. Also, the CNPD use is the special issuance test, and there also considered rainy days or predetermined non-workable days using the last 3 years data from Pag-asa. Labor rate is based on the last issued last June 2025.
The cases from expecting and maybe that's not it.
Okay, for the last project, 26 DH 043, construction of multi-purpose building, RADYO PILIPINAS building, phase 2, Barangay San Antonio, BASCO, Batanes, with coordinates 20.4532 by 121.965300 degrees. Located at Barangay San Antonio, BASCO, Batanes. First, permit and clearances. We have building permit, DRT permit, zoning permit, and occupancy permit. Project billboard or signboard, two, one for DPWH and one for COA. Occupational safety and health, safety practitioner full-time and health personnel full-time. Sorry, safety practitioner is part-time, health personnel full-time. Mobilization, demobilization, structural concrete, class A, 28 days. Reinforcing steel bar, grade 40. Formworks and false work, sewer line, plumbing fixtures. We have stainless floor drain, 4 inches by 4 inches, water closet with complete accessories or equivalent, urinal, wall hung, top inlet ceramic, 13 mm diameter brass faucet, wall mounted, lavatory including fittings, double or elongated wall hung wash basin. Kitchen sink, single bowl, 400 by 460 by 200 by 0.8 mm, old water lines using PPR 5, TN20, doors or wood panel, tempered glass, 6 mm, 6 mm tempered glass windows with UPVC casement prefabricated, waterproofing, cement base, so we have cement waterproofing compound, and glazed tiles, cement cluster finished, shades bin and load bearing including reinforcing steel 100 mm thick, shades bin and load bearing including reinforcing steel 150 mm, conduits, boxes and fittings, wires and wiring devices, lighting fixtures, 40 watt 60 cm by 60 cm LED panel light. Then we consider 30 days